Welcome to our YouTube channel, Local Teachers. So today we are going to discuss the example 1 which is given in the textbook. So what is given in the textbook? Let us see. So here one bird is there. So this is one bird. So here this bird is flying on a pond, and vertically it is coming down with constant constant speed. So here this is the bird which is flying on a pond with a constant speed. With the same constant speed it is coming down towards the pond. Okay, so in the pond, so here this is the pond. In the pond, so one fish is considered. So here consider this is one fish, so which is in this pond. Okay, so this fish is in the pond, in the water, which is exactly vertical to the bird, exactly vertically down in the water. Okay, let us see. So what is our question? So how this bird will appear to the fish? So here we have to find that how the bird is appear to the fish. So this answer we have to find. సో జనరల్గా చూడండి, మనం ఎప్పుడైనా జర్నీ చేసినప్పుడు కానీ లేకుంటే చెరువులు, మన ఊర్లో చెరువు దగ్గర కానీ ఇట్లా నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తే అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, పైన పక్షులు ఇట్లా వాటర్ మీద కాసేపు ఇట్లా చూస్తూ కిందికి చూస్తూ ఉన్నట్టుగా పైనుంచి చూస్తూ ఉంటాయి. చూసి 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 ఒక్కటేసారి కిందికి వచ్చి ఆ ఫిష్ని పట్టుకొని పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? మనం వెతికినా మనం పట్టుకున్నా అది దొరకడం చాలా కష్టం. మనకు తెలుసు అది ఎటు వస్తుంది, ఎటు పోతుంది, ఎట్లా పట్టుకోవాలి, ఎట్లా నెట్టేయాలి, ఏం చేయాలి, ఇన్ని తెలిసినా కూడా ఫిష్ మనం పట్టడం, మనకు దొరకడం కొంచెం కష్టమైన పనే. కానీ పక్షి అంత పైనుంచి చూసి ఒకటేసారి వచ్చి అంత ఈజీగా ఎలా పట్టుకొని పైకి వెళ్ళగలుగుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్రాక్షన్ ఓన్లీ. రిఫ్రాక్షన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ వల్ల ఫిష్ కరెక్ట్ గా పక్షి పొజిషన్ ఎస్టిమేట్ చేయలేకపోతుంది. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? ఇట్ లూజెస్ ఇట్స్ లైఫ్. కాబట్టి అది ఎస్టిమేట్ చేయలేక దాని చేతిలో బలైపోతుంది. సో హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? లెట్ us see. So I am considering, so the distance or height of the bird from the surface of the pond, I am considering this is x. Okay, so the distance from pond to surface of the pond to bird, I consider x. So I know the derivative formula for this plane mirror. So what is that? N2 by V equals to N1 by U. N1 by U. So here, so this is medium air and this is water. So its refractive index is N2 and this air refractive index is N1. So generally this refractive index of air is equals to 1, and we are considering this refractive index of water is considered small n. So substitute these values, so we can write this n by v equals to n by u. Okay, next, so here we have to find this value. So here the distance from this surface of the pond to object. So body is nothing but it is object. So the distance is considered x. So I can substitute u equals to x. So here the image v is nothing but image. Consider that image v equals to y. So here also apply sign convention. So apply sign convention. So we can write here u equals to. So in which direction the incident rays are there? In this direction the incident rays are there. Incident ray. In this direction the incident ray is there. But we are measuring the distance from this point to this. Like this we are measuring. So this u will becomes minus x. In the same manner, we will get image on this side only. So we can write v equals to minus y. So this we are considered. So let u equals to x we are considered and v equals to y we are considered. For that we are applied this sign convention. So substitute these values in this equation 1. So here n1, so this n1 equals to, we got here 1, n1 equals to 1 I substituted there. So substitute this equation 2 in equation 1. So I can write here n by minus y equals to y by minus x. So minus minus gets cancelled. So I can write n by y equals to 1 by x. So I can write this is nothing but here. So y, the unknown distance is y equals to n into x, n into x. So this n is nothing but refractive index of water. So this refractive index of water is greater than 1. So this refractive index of n is greater than 1 simply indicates that this y is greater than x. Y is greater than x. So if y is greater than x is nothing but, so originally at this position the bird will be at this position, but so here, so the fish seems the bird, we will see the bird at a distance of y. So which is far away from its original distance. So here, so this is the distance of, so I can draw like this. So this is the distance of y. So here finally what we are going to conclude that the fish will see the bird away from its original distance. అది ఉన్న దూరం కన్నా ఎక్కువ దూరంలో ఉన్నట్టుగా ఆ చేపకు కనబడుతుంది కాబట్టి అది స్టేబుల్గా ఉంటుంది. సరే అది వచ్చేలోపు మనం ఎస్కేప్ కావచ్చు అనుకుంటుంది. బట్ హియర్ ద బాడీ ఈజ్ వెరీ నియర్ to that fish. So just you wait for some time on the pond and just it will the bird will jump into the pond and it will catch and it will gone away with that fish. So this is a example